Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Et notre nouveau jardin qui n'est plus le nôtre, qui est celui du voisin. Il n'y a plus d'arbres, plus un seul arbre. Il n'y a même plus les souches. Ils ont été gentils de nous faire nos souches. Donc tous mes cubes, ils sont désolidarisés. Et ils ont été gentils de nous mettre du nouveau gravier, le même qu'on avait avant, pour bien délimiter notre nouveau terrain. Voilà, derrière il y aura des bordures et puis des barrières, un grillage. Voilà, on avait mis ça pour protéger. Voilà ce qui reste des arbres. Incroyable. Donc là il y avait un saule-pleureur, là il y avait un gros arbre, là il y avait un peuplier, il y avait des bambous. Bon. Bon week-end.
Bonjour, bonjour. So I wanted to show you what we've been working on with Rue before the spring kicks in and the birds need to make nests and babies. It was time to prevent them from coming into our roof. So we have started to block all access and prevent the birds from coming inside. I still have a bit of a hole there. Where is it? Two things. But otherwise, this is it. We also take the opportunity, of course, to clean the tiles of the roof. Spray some product there, scratch the moss. Fix the corner that was falling apart. Rue did a fantastic job fixing that. So, voilà. Let me show you a bit more. That is Rue. Hi Rue. How you doing, Rue? Voilà. Allez, we shall continue, hein. See ya.
What you're doing at the moment?
What we're doing at the moment. We're putting back the shutters that Susanna ascended with love and passion and patience and painted. And then I helped paint it a bit. And now I'm going to take a shutter on my face because I'm talking to you guys. A bit more. And we're not on there. Huh?
Oh, good.
Yeah, now we're here. Yeah. Take your latch out.
Is this one okay?
Yeah, this one is perfect. You will go down. Take your latch.
I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay.
Oh my god. All these need to be fixed. This one is twisting on itself, so. It's not gonna help.
Here, make knock it off at your done cut. Result is no restart.
Result.
We've been doing all kind of side jobs, pet projects, what have you, trying to use all the material that was left by the previous owner and try, of course, to continue improving on the house. For instance, we found some tiles, roof tiling. This is natural stone, and I decided to improve on that wall. So there was a primer, waterproofing primer that was applied, and now we're just gluing the tile onto the beton blockers with some special glue that should resist the weather and so on. The idea is more to decorate than anything else, but if the rain comes across that, that's like a roof, it will slide off. So it's all benefit for us. It's one project. We call the beton shed, because as you can see it's made of beton blockers, and my daughter Lali has been painting it right now after doing the floor. So they redid all the floor. We used all the borders from the garden that were left over by the previous owner and broken with the installation of the new fence. So this floor was really bad, and now it's perfectly flat. So happy days, and with that paint it's gonna look a bit brighter without much need for light. You know, I show you. Boom! Tiles everywhere, and I finished the wall inside this one. Now the brick shed, which used to be my workshop for a little while, is now the garden shed. We're gonna be keeping all the equipment for the garden. And the cushion for the dining table. So well, I want to share I absolutely want to share with you the work of Susanna. She has not filmed herself working, so this is the only image we have of work. She's been repairing that well. I don't know if you guys remember, but everything was falling apart. That was a shame, and she's been working hard, cementing the whole thing, and that's where she's at. So a big wow, big wow to Susanna. Et ça va loin sur le côté alors, vous pensez? Plus loin que le bâtiment ou à peu près? We started the support wall for the wall of windows. Voilà, with Victor. So we had gaps in the corners, that's why we have coffers, and then we filled up the gaps on either side. We pretty much straight, we pretty much horizontal and vertical. It's just only a two-level brick wall that we're gonna make, so it's not that important or essential for the moment. But that's a good start. Happy days. Alright, another day, another dollar. So we have Lali who removed the plastic protection against the rain so we can see our work. I already removed what was keeping the box together.
I've got something to say, you should hear it all. I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.
Alright. It is done. It is done.
Come on.
What else can I say? We did the wall,
Listen
there is a
to
door.
me.
Susanna cleaned all the windows inside and out. So it is absolutely pristine, perfect. We have the whole wall, the door. So we have a bit of storage there. We have all kind of plates to be put and create shelves the size you want. And if we go inside through the door, then I have, as I tried to explain yesterday, I have on my sides the same storage unit. Well, and all the plates are right there.
And also be the hit of the party. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7.
It's pretty much clean. We could put cars in there if we needed to. I've also improved on my workbench. So now I have something really top to work. finished to put all my tools. I slightly changed the organization. I still need to put that on my workbench, but I need to clean it first. Give it a good clean and then I can put that. I might use that wall to actually hang my tools, like the screwdrivers, the levels, and whatnot.
Hey babe, what are you doing?
Hey babe, I'm packing my last tools, cleaning up.
But the movie is finished.
Really?
Yeah.
The movie's finished already?
For sure.
Wow, I thought we were showing more.
We're gonna show that next time.
Alright.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.